In today's video, I will be showing you how we made this Phoolon Ki Chadar with the help from the bride and the groom, Emily and Vasant. I have also included some video footage that I shot at the wedding.
This is our extraordinary and creator who crafted everything.
Over Sexy Crafter, please like and subscribe.
I began by ripping some 1x3 white pine to get 2 lengths at 6 feet, 2 lengths at 40 inches, and 1 length at 38.5 inches for the centerpiece. Glue was applied to the 40-inch pieces, which were clamped, pre-drilled, then screwed to the 6-foot lengths. The centerpiece was similarly attached with glue and screws. Using 1-inch cedar, I cut 4 triangles to fit in the corners of the frame. The 4 triangles were attached with glue and screws to the corners to act as support for these wood turnings that I had on hand. 2x2 lengths can be substituted for the wood turnings. A 3/8 of an inch hole was drilled in all of the triangles. Using a 3/8 inch Forstner bit, a hole was drilled to the length of the 3/8 inch threaded insert. With a 3/8 inch Allen key, I screwed the threaded insert into the hole. A washer, then a 3/8 inch bolt was inserted into the hole in the triangle. The wood turning was then screwed onto the bolt, then tightened with a ratchet. The remaining legs were attached, and the entire structure was spray painted in gold. 3 packs of wisteria garlands were used to decorate the phoolon. They were long enough so that they could be doubled across its width. Turning the structure on its side made it easy to staple the wisteria across the width of the phoolon. It was then taken for a test run by Emily and Vasant to see what it would look like in the sun. A couple of eucalyptus rose garlands was stapled to the outside of the frame, and it was ready for the big day.